Hi everybody, it's Denise Austin, and I'm so excited to share with you my LifeFit 360 whole body plan. This is a great way to get your body in the best shape of your life, feel good about yourself. I've got over 100 different workouts. They range from yoga to strength training to cardio to fat burning. There's something perfect for you with 3 different levels. In case you're just starting out, I have an entire beginner level. Also have tasty recipes. You will love my eating plan. You could be gluten-free. I have a whole plan for you. Great recipes, vegetarian or eat like I do, well balanced. And then I also have great motivation to keep you on track, to get you in the best shape of your life. So come join me. And today we're offering a free 7-day trial.